A side hustle is an activity that you can do in addition to your primary job. Side hustles are one of the best ways to increase your income so you can pay off debt, save up for a big purchase, grow your retirement savings, or reduce your financial stress. Finding the right side hustle becomes a challenge, especially because you want to be sure the amount you're earning is worth your time and that you actually like what you do. In this video, we're going to discuss the 10 best side hustle ideas with no money in 2022. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 10. Translate. If you're lucky enough to speak more than one language, you've got even more options when it comes to choosing a side hustle. Translating is a competitive but lucrative business, and while you'll probably find it hard to pick up literary translations or large commercial projects without a relative degree, you can work with an agency or strike out on your own to pick up smaller projects. Sites like Fiverr are great for getting started quickly, but with most competitors charging around $5 for every 500 words, it'll take you a while to build up some cash. And with so many competitors, it'll be hard to lock in those all-important reviews. And to look credible, you'll want a website to show examples of your work and positive testimonials from clients. Number 9. Selling stock photos. If you love photography or have great photos, you can get paid to post them on stock photo platforms. They could be scenic travel pictures or just everyday shots that you already have stored on your phone. Bloggers and online marketers are always searching for photos for their websites that obey copyright regulations. As a result, sites like Shutterstock and Deposit Photos are constantly looking to expand their portfolios of copyright-free images. Depending on the quantity, quality, and uniqueness of your photos, you can make up anywhere from $200 to $500 a month. Number 8. Create an app. Creating an app could be a way to make that upfront investment of time and then reap the reward over the long haul. Your app might be a game or one that helps mobile users perform some hard-to-do function. Once your app is public, users download it and you can generate income. An app has a huge upside if you can design something that catches the fancy of your audience. You'll have to consider how best to generate sales from your app. If your app gains popularity or you receive feedback, you'll likely need to add incremental features to keep the app relevant and popular. You'll also want to make sure that if your app collects any data, that it's in compliance with privacy laws, which differ across the globe. The popularity of apps can be short-lived too, meaning your cash flow could dry up a lot faster than you expect. Number 7. Serve a need in your community. If you're looking for physical side hustle ideas, consider what's needed right outside your door. From shoveling snow and mowing lawns to cleaning windows and walking dogs, someone always needs a hand with something. You might be surprised by the opportunities right in your home city. People pay for dog walking, house sitting, yard maintenance, handyman services, and much more every day. So you can make a decent business out of being the neighborhood's go-to for odd jobs. There are also multiple sites built for community needs, such as Rover for dog walking, Mind My House for house sitting, and Bark for general handyman services. Number 6. Rent out your car. Is your car just sitting in a parking spot collecting dust while you work from home? If so, put it to work for you. Renting out your car when you aren't using it can be a lucrative side hustle, and it doesn't require much time or effort on your part. GetAround is a car sharing service that allows you to earn money from renters when you're not using your car. And because GetAround installs a digital key that allows renters to unlock your car from their phone, you won't need to provide any customer service, making this a truly passive opportunity. Turo is a car-sharing service that allows you to list your car for rent and earn an average of $706 per month. You'll need to meet renters to hand over the keys, but beyond that, your earnings will be passive. Number 5. Begin a YouTube channel. YouTubers who made the most money in 2021 were recently featured in Forbes. Even if the odds of making millions of dollars from YouTube are slim, numerous people earn extra income by making videos about everything from cats to painting. Over 1 billion people use YouTube daily, watching hours of videos. With the site's popularity soaring, there are more opportunities for creatives looking to produce video content. You can learn how to create a YouTube channel and discuss current events, do sketches or music, give tutorials, or do anything else you'd like. But the real money comes from creating a channel that works in conjunction with your business. Number 4. Babysitting. Babysitting is an easy side hustle to start. Plus, making extra money by hanging out with kids can be fun. You need a lot of practice and understanding to be a babysitter, though. Some of your clients' kids may have handicaps or disabilities, while others may have a penchant for misbehaving. Start by asking friends and neighbors if they need someone to watch the kids. If you'd like to expand your client base, sign up for one of the following sites. A good starting place for new babysitters. You can sign up as a mother's helper to gain experience by watching kids while a parent is still in the house. Their last-minute sitter feature lets you increase your rate when parents need help on short notice. As a babysitter, you'll be responsible for many childcare activities, such as playing with your clients' children, preparing simple meals, cleaning play areas, and putting the children to bed. Number 3. Teach online courses. Learning a new trade, skill, or subject is challenging. It requires research, time, and a genuine interest in the subject matter. But chances are there are topics and talents you're already well versed in, especially compared to the general public. Teaching is one of the most rewarding opportunities. With online platforms like Udemy and Coursera, it's become easy for experienced teachers to side hustle around the world and connect with enthusiastic students. The beauty of teaching online is that the subject of your course is limited only by your own knowledge and imagination. Are you an expert on the history of the Roman Empire? Teach that. Have experience in graphic design? Share what you know. As long as there are people who want to learn from your experience and are willing to pay to have the information packaged and presented in an accessible way, you can make a course about nearly anything. Number 2. Deliver food and groceries. It's never been easier to get food or groceries delivered to your doorstep. Whether you're craving a meal from your favorite restaurant or reduced trips to the store, there's an app for that. In fact, as a result of the COVID-19 outbreak, grocery delivery and pickup sales have soared. In August 2019, sales were $1.2 billion. That number has risen to $4 billion in March of 2020. That's an impressive increase of 233%. In terms of expenses and taxes, the same caveats apply to food and grocery delivery drivers as rideshare drivers. Number 1. Sell baked goods. Starting a small business can be a great way to earn extra money, and selling baked goods is a classic option. If you have a knack for baking, you must set up a small stall or market stall and start selling your wares. Not all side hustles are easy to set up, and starting a baking business is one of them. So there are a few things to keep in mind if you want to be successful. First, it's essential to have a good selection of baked goods on offer so that customers have plenty of choices. Secondly, it's essential to price your goods competitively, as people often hesitate to spend too much on small treats like cake or cookies. Finally, ensuring that your stall is well stocked and always looks inviting is crucial, as this will encourage customers to stop and take a look. With a little hard work and dedication, selling baked goods can be a great way to make money. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.